We're at the South Downs National Park for a first-year geography trip. We've been looking at lots of different maps and identifying which trail we've been gone on.
We've found what rocks this area is made of, so chalk, green sand, and lots of different types.
The South Downs was originally underwater.
I've learnt that the highest point around here is actually only 217 metres, although it does feel like we're quite a long way up in some places.
My favourite bit today has been walking around with my friends and playing fun games.
Yeah, I'm having really good fun.
We're having fun today.